Welcome back, YouTube. This is Mary. I'm here to show you how to fix a light when it's doing this here. It's flickering, and the cause of that is like the socket is going out, and I'm gonna show you how to repair it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is turn off the breaker. That's the most important thing for safety purposes. I'm gonna look here. It's gonna say bedroom light fixtures, and it's number 20, and it's completely off. So now we can work on it. Okay, hello everyone. Okay, I'm back. The first thing you want to do is remove the light bulb. Okay, and you want to unscrew, and you need a flat screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver. This one is kind of big, but it's gonna work for me. Just gonna unscrew it from here and loosen up the other side also. And I did turn off electricity, so I'm not using gloves, so I think I'm be okay. Okay, it fell in the right spot though. Wow, fell in a great spot. Okay, just push this down here. You can see they have the black wire and the white wire here. And on our new one, remember the black wire, always the hot wire, y'all. Okay, what I was saying is it's the black wire here and the white wire here. This is the hot wire, this is the neutral wire, and this is gold and this is silver. The hot wire go to the gold, the neutral wire go to the silver. So we're just going to unscrew both of these here. I wish I had a short screwdriver, it works better, but just enough to take that out right here. Just going to pull this out right there. And do the same thing as this. That's enough to take it out. Okay, connect it from here. Okay. And this is what I have here. Oh, dropped something. Screws and everything. This is the new one here. So they have the gold one here and the silver one here. So remember I told you, just unscrew just a little bit. Just so you can get behind it. Okay, put the black wire here where they go. Just gonna tighten it up here. Can y'all see right there? Just tighten it up here. Okay, and then put the white wire here. Like so. Just tighten it up here. It's nothing to it. It's just knowing your wires and how to connect it the correct way. You're gonna push all this wire back inside. And find your connection. or to screw it in at. I'm gonna open these screws here that come with it. It is hot in this closet, y'all. Ooh. Tell you I'm trying to get up out of here and finish. It's just connecting the screw right on up. It's on both sides, real tight. Okay, you want to make sure these are nice and tight. It's nice and tight. That's against the wall. Okay, that's fine. Tighten this side up here. Okay, nice and tight. I'm gonna put my butt back in here. Okay, we'll be right back. I'm going to turn on electricity from the outside. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, this is the finished product. I'm going to turn it on now. Okay, that means I done a great job with it, fixing a flickering light. Just because it's a flickering light, you know, it's a cheap cost. It's less than, let's say, $4 to fix it. But you call an electrician, they're gonna charge you maybe 100 something just for something so simple like this. I want to thank everyone for watching again, and give me a big thumbs up if you like what you've seen, and make sure you turn on your notifications because I have a lot more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Bye.